At beaches in Ankerful within the Mfantseman municipality of the central region have been inundated with waste and open defecation. Despite the worsening conditions, food vendors continue to operate amid the filth with cholera cases on the rise. Health officials warn of a crisis if urgent measures are not taken to halt these acts. Correspondent Erica Santi visited the Ankerful community and has more in this report.
From about 100 meters away, the stench from this beach greets visitors and residents alike. Once a place of relaxation, it has now become an eyesore, a dumping ground for refuse, a site for open defecation, and shockingly, a hub for food vendors.
In fact, boy no high pa so to fi ma me na boy pa o so sa so the feel sa braye my friend me once the mani mu toilet na mu nka kan na adazi ye bra pa ye bre nto oba yank won tu fa boy pa. Health
officials are warning that this growing sanitation crisis could put the entire community at risk. Acting Director of Health in the Central Region, Dr. Agnes Anani, says the situation directly threatens the fight against cholera.
We've introduced vaccination for 3 of our districts, and with our environmental assessments, we noticed that it was shortage of water, and also the environment, open defecation and refuse, indiscriminate dumping of refuse that are worrying. When you walk along the coast, you still see people practicing open defecation, which is very worrying, because the same water that will come and wash, the feces back into the water. And this water, you go along the shore, I remember when we went to a Futu, we saw children washing their mangoes with water that they've taken from the sea. And this water, as we all know, if people are defecating along the coast, they think that the water is contaminated. When you walk around, you see people dumping refuse. Everywhere you go, and heap of refuse are on our streets. And I think with these two, if a law enforcement agency will help us so that people will stop defecating along the coast, and also people will not throw their refuse anyhow, it will help us to be able to break this cholera transmission.
The dangers are not limited to adults alone. Children who play around these waste-filled areas are exposed to infections, respiratory issues, and skin diseases. Without interventions, this problem could only worsen. Unfortunately, some residents claim the pile of rubbish is acting as an artificial sea defense.
Even though
the assembly member of the area has solely funded the construction of a 100-seat capacity toilet, some residents were seen engaging in open defecation.
The Basra Banam water and Jobutu Wabashabode, Queen Namubushi Yasi, Butu body from Yasu and Waka Yakra. The Abanam one here this year. Because all it's in a papa. What they didn't quenny. Say, Obia Bosha, Jumaya and Yay, I ate me see. Into Queen one number of boy and one boy in my body of fear. Moshe Yasim, my way be there, me, Tramutu.